Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths tricks. Begin by identifying the specific trick you want to learn, like quick multiplication or percentage calculations. Don't just memorize the steps, truly grasp the underlying mathematical concept. For example, a trick for multiplying by 9 often relates to subtracting from a multiple of 10. Understanding this foundation makes the trick more intuitive and easier to recall under pressure. Once you've identified a trick, delve into its mathematical reasoning. Why does it work? For instance, a trick for squaring numbers ending in 5 uses the algebraic identity, 10 a plus 5 2. Linking new tricks to concepts you already know, like basic algebra or number properties, strengthens your learning. Try applying the trick to at least 10 different problems to ensure you truly understand its application and limitations. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any math trick. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to work through various problems where these tricks can be applied. Challenge yourself by timing your solutions. Aim to reduce your completion time by 25% over a week. When you encounter a difficult problem, don't just skip it. Instead, review your steps, identify where you struggled, and refine your method for future attempts. To truly master math tricks, try combining several of them to tackle more complex problems. For example, use a quick multiplication trick within a larger algebraic equation. A fantastic way to solidify your knowledge is to teach a trick to a friend or family member. Explaining it helps you understand it better. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.